Hello everyone, okay? Good afternoon. Guys, welcome to my video now. Okay? For today's video guys, okay, I would like to show to you my video about this meteorites was posted before 2 months ago. Okay, before this is very dirt on its surface, but I try to clean it by brush and sandpaper. That's why this is the actual appearance of this key. We can find here the thumbprints here. Okay? Thumbprints are very clear to see. Okay? I put magnet here. Okay? Magnet is here. It's always penetrate magnet. Okay? Here. I'm sorry. Here. Here. Okay. All parts of this meteorites is magnetic guys, okay? Even here in this ocean, in the other part, okay? Okay, we can also find bones here, okay? The fusion crust is at the back here. We have the fusion crust here, okay? That is the fusion crust. The cause of the fusion crust is the long time travel from the galaxy. Then the head of the sun affects is the head of the sun if it's long travel, and it is very fortunate that it landed to the earth and does not melt. Okay, we can also you can see white flakes here. Okay, you have different colors inside. Okay, that is the characteristic of a meteorite. Okay, this meteorite guys is almost 5 kilos. Okay, this is not normal to a stone like this guys. Remember a normal stone like this size could not reach 5 kilos guys. Okay? Okay. Okay. We try to break this stone, but it's very hard to break this one because it is a meteorite. It is like metal guys. Okay? Let's focus on the uh, texture. Okay, that is the texture of our meteorite. Okay, some experts out there, if you are watching right now, you can directly message us or comment us now. Okay, oh? That is the textures of the iron nickel meteorite. Okay, yeah. Here in its fusion crust here. Before, that is very dark because of dirt. That's why I try to clean it. Unfortunately, I success to clean it, and it really looks like metal guys, but it is only a stone. Okay, like that guys. Here in this part guys, inside this in its window guys. Okay, oh. Can you observe that the texture of this is like a rainbow inside with different colors. There is yellow, there is gold, there is brown, and there are also silver. And that is a characteristic of a meteorite. If you remember, if you're a geology student or a geology graduate. Oh, here, okay, that's the texture of this portion. Okay, like this. Yeah. Okay, I can't afford to cut this through cutter guys because I don't have a cutter, but that's why I break only this one manually. Okay? Okay? What can you see about the textures of this meteorite guys? Okay. Okay, here on its window guys. Okay, let's observe the texture. Okay, one by one. Here, did you observe that there are many colors inside guys? Okay, have you seen nickel there? Another color, brown, there is yellow, and there is green. Okay, if you research on the characteristic of a meteorite, you can consider this as a metal or an iron meteorite. and there is contained with nickel, guys. Okay, we put magnet here. Okay. Okay. The magnet penetrates anywhere, especially here on its window, guys. Okay, here. Okay. Here. Okay. Do you see? Magnet still penetrates, not like other meteorites I have seen before. That only 20% wood attracts magnet, but this one is very attractive to magnet. Okay, that this is now our meteorites after cleaning, guys. Now, if you are interested about this meteorite, guys, please present your clear identity if you want to help me to sell this meteorite, because there are already inquired this from the other countries, from Canada, that is interested about this, but uh, he can't directly came here in the Philippines maybe this month. If you're interested to this, I have to negotiate it to you. Okay? Yes, this one. But if you don't have an clear identity, guys, uh, I don't entertain you. Please give your clear identity, because I am legit person. If you are legit, please give the clear identity of where you came from and who you are. Okay? Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe us on Lolo Jerry's TV, The Working Lulu, and also to our YouTube or FB page, the Onyx Black, the Stone Blogger, and we also have the Helpmate, guys, any other account over YouTube. Thank you very much, and good afternoon. Have a blessed Wednesday. Okay, thank you.